I am Emperatrez Malicay.
My name is Tuante. I have been a policyholder of Perla Iligan branch since 2017.
2 weeks ago, my insured vehicle got into accident involving a third party. Perla Iligan branch was so fast in coordinating with the adverse party in my behalf that the PPD claim was completed within a day from submission of the requirements.
I have witnessed Perla's service standard, particularly in the settlement of claims. In fact, last October 2021, I got involved in a vehicular accident in Cagayan de Oro City. Perla assisted me with my own damage and third-party claim, very quick to respond and manage settlement of claims smoothly. I love Perla.
All is well with